Amtrak just called Rutland over. Must be the dispatcher's busy. Just called again. I can't get the record quick enough. Sounds like they're breaking up. They said they'd check in from council. I can't believe they don't have a better radio. What frequency is Amtrak 60? Can we tell? Amtrak 10.
Track 291 arrived in Catherine at 1923, 1923 and departed at 1924, 1924, over.
They went to Vermont Railroad 3 instead of the Amtrak 60. Apparently they weren't getting in back there.
Hey, Amtrak 291, you have permission into Rutland Yard, time at 1927, 1927. You'll be working with CLP 264 crew. Give permission for your whole move, over. Okay, correct on the capsule. The time of 1927, 1927, Amtrak 291 is right into the Rutland Yard limits, working with the CLP 264, and they give us permission for the whole entire move.
CLP is Clarendon Pacific.
That is correct, over. Thanks very much. We'll talk to you when we get in. 91 head in the rear, 27, 1927. Okay, the Rutland Yard limits, working with the CLP 2. We have our whole entire move with them, over.